Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use fresh mint. Strip leaves from stems, rinse gently, pat dry, and store in a damp paper towel inside a sealed bag. To release bright flavor, bruise leaves lightly or chiffonade for garnishes and sauces. Keep stems for infusions and remove before serving. Taste as you add mint to balance sweetness and acidity and adjust seasoning to suit your dish. Dry mint for later use by hanging small bundles in a cool, dark place until crisp, then store in airtight jars. For bright frozen flavor, layer chopped mint into ice cube trays with water or oil and freeze, then pop cubes into soups and drinks. Whole leaves freeze well on a tray before bagging to prevent clumping. Label and date all containers so you know freshness when cooking. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can make more content you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and helpful voice timers to your kitchen, making it easier to follow recipes hands-free and keep your mint fresh playlist ready. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, you'll love the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Use mint to brighten dishes by adding leaves at the end of cooking or as a fresh garnish to preserve aroma. Muddle leaves gently in cocktails and mocktails to release essential oils without shredding. Stir mint into yogurt sauces, chopped salads, fruit salsas, and grain bowls for contrast. Try steeping sprigs in hot water for a soothing tea, and experiment with sweet and savory combos to find your favorite pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.